morning, everybody. Did I say good morning, Will?
Good morning, everybody.
I just did a workout, as you see. I actually want to show you who I've been loving. So, sorry, the screen's gonna be a bit crazy, but Bailey Brown, her workouts are the best. I'm following a little system that she does. She has playlists for every single day. So, it's only about like 15 minutes. It depends what the day is, but usually it's like Pilates, yoga, mix of things, which I love. So I've been doing that, but I'm just about to make my coffee and shower really quickly. But today's an exciting day, which I thought I would bring you along on. I also need to like wash off my tanning drops on my face, so don't mind that. Also, I'm so out of breath because that workout actually was like so hard. It was a bit of cardio today as well. Wore my watch, tracked it, it's amazing. So today is a beautiful day in England. It's literally gonna be 75 degrees, which is probably gonna feel like 80 degrees because that's just how it is here. We're having a heat wave and all the vibes are the best. But my really good friend, Katie, is pregnant and she's literally 8 months pregnant. And today we are treating her and taking her to a spa that's by where we live in England. I've been there one time before for my birthday with Will, and it was great, and it's just like a beautiful like hotel spa situation. So just her and I are going and are just gonna have a great time today. So I thought I'd bring you along, show you what the spa looks like and just what I get done, and I'll just bring you along throughout my day. Thought it might be interesting, kind of fun. It's not every day you get to go to a spa, so I wanted to bring you along. But I just worked out. I'm gonna shower, make my coffee. I'm not gonna wear like any makeup. I need to take out these braids, so I'll show you that. But I'm getting a facial done today, which I've actually never had a facial done professionally before. The last time I had a facial was literally in hairdressing school when like my friends would do it on me. And so I've never had like a legit facial done, so I'm like so excited. So that's happening today as well, so I'm not gonna wear any makeup, but I'm just gonna bring you along, so stay tuned for the footage. We'll see how much I get, but yeah. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will check back in with you in a little bit. Really quickly, so this is our bedroom, a little hair tie. You know, girl lives here. And we have like this little like balcony thing, and literally these are Christmas lights that I haven't taken off yet. And it's cute, but it's kind of gets messed up down here because it rains in England all the time. But I wanted to show you, look at those beautiful blue skies. It's gonna be so nice at the beach today. I literally can't wait. We're gonna have to go to the beach too. Okay, hello vlog, I am back. I'm currently outside in the sun. I'm telling you, in England it is a nice day, which is such a rarity, so I am making the most, just tanning. I'm in my shorts, but in my bathing suit, and they gave us robes, and it's literally like too hot to wear robes, so like who would have thought. My friend who's pregnant, Katie, it just went in for her treatments. I believe she's getting like a prenatal massage and pedicure, so I'll show you her when she's back. We've just been hanging out. We got Costa on our way. I got the strawberry mint iced tea and literally obviously loved it. It's so good and so refreshing. And then I'm gonna go in for my treatments in a little bit. There's like a pool, so I might go in there. But yeah, I just want to show you around. I'm gonna take you along, probably be some montages. But this is the Captain's Club Hotel and Spa in Christchurch. It's seriously so beautiful. Like, I don't even know what today is. This weather is to die for. And it's just, everybody here is so nice. So yeah, keep coming along and I'll check in soon. Okay, so I'm just in the bathroom. I'm about to go in for my spa treatments. I'm literally just like so excited. I've just been laying out in the sun, tanning, filming some TikToks as I do, and it is now my turn. Katie said she had the absolute best time, so my turn. Okay, here we are. This is the treatment room. Oh, I'm just so excited. Annabelle needs this massage so bad. I have Lyme's disease, so I struggle with a lot of like body pain and body inflammation, so I literally cannot wait, and I'm also getting a facial, so I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so look at my skin. Look at how glowy and radiant she is. I literally just got the best facial ever and massage on my back, shoulders, neck. I even got a little, look at my hair. I got a little head massage, and then now my hair is like super oily, so I may wash it. But literally it's so good, like literally 12 out of 10. It was incredible. So now I'm just gonna go find Katie. Don't know where she is. I think she might be taking a shower. So yeah. So you gonna make an appearance? Hello, there she is, the beauty queen. So we got a chicken Caesar salad and our beautiful drinks, champagne and this botanical garden drink.
Weather.
I know, and this beautiful sunshine is literally insane. Like, I don't know how we got so lucky, so we're gonna eat this, but oh, it looks so good.
So good.
When in England, you know, there's like literally no other way.
There's no other way.
Oh, it looks so good.
It's just perfect.
Okay, hello. Long time no see. So we finished up at the spa. I dropped Katie back home. It was literally the most incredible day. That spa is amazing. The staff is incredible and they're all so nice. And if you're in the area, I highly recommend it. Captain's Club Spa. The hotel is incredible too if you want to stay there, but I actually started to get a headache. It might be from the massage, just because they broke up so many knots. It could have just been the pressure that was applied. It could be just all of those knots trying to dissolve that just caused my head to hurt a little bit. So I actually came home from my spa day and took a nap. I know, hard life. Guys, literally it's the nicest night out, by the way. Like, I literally can't handle it. But my headache's gone. But I don't know if this is just me, but do you guys ever take a nap and you wake up? I, for some reason, woke up like in a panic and stressed. But I woke up and I felt like I had so much anxiety. Like I felt so stressed. I felt so sad. I'm not really sure why. I feel like this happens sometimes after I take midday naps. And I just felt like really overwhelmed. I don't know, it was a really weird headspace I woke up in. And I was just like, I need some time with Jesus. I'm a Christian. My relationship with Jesus is so important to me. Relationship over religion always. And I was like, you know what? It's a beautiful night. Today's been a beautiful day. It's still so nice outside. I need to get outside. I've been blasting worship music in my ear and it's just been incredible and it's brought me so much peace and I've just been praying. And I feel like sometimes in life we just get overcome with anxiety and it's like God is there to just center us and bring us back and remind us of the truth, but also sometimes when situations just give you anxiety no matter what, like he brings me peace. So anyways, I was listening to worship music and going on the most incredible, beautiful walk. I literally, where I live is so beautiful, right by the beach, so that's what we've been doing. Let me see if I can give you a little fit check. So this is basically my hot girl evening walk. I just have these jeans on, Air Forces, this really cute like little tank top, a thrifted bag, and then my headphones, old school style, and then this hat, it's actually my husband's, and it's a Supreme hat. So we're gonna keep walking and I will show you the views. Picked him up from work.
Pick me up from work.
AK just walked and met him at his work. Finished youth group tonight.
Living the dream.
Was it good?
A great night, yeah. Having a great time.
Still a nice night. It's literally after 9 p.m. What is it, 9:30?
Yeah,
Still light
9:30,
outside.
maybe later, yeah. Show them the sky, or you've never already
I'm
done.
gonna turn you around and show you the sky, but literally this is like, one thing about England summers is the days are so long. So the skies are pretty pink.
Can I see how pink they are? Oh wow, yeah, they're nice.
Yeah, and the beautiful, beautiful ocean.
It's
Look
like
at you.
someone poured some blackcurrant squash into the sea.
You're so cute. Oh, it's so beautiful. Hello, I realized I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, so thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and like and leave a comment down below what you'd like to see more of. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, just kind of bringing you along with me in my world, in my life. So I'll see you in my next video. Have the best day. Bye.